Hello, YouTubers.
Okay.
Okay. Hello, YouTubers. Welcome to another episode of Crazy Tasty Food Reviews. We have another cookie show. Cookies.
And I'm in it. Crazy tasty.
And we got our milk with us, like always.
White milk.
So let's get these babies open.
What do we got?
First, we got animal cookies iced. Yeah, iced. Icing. Yeah. 0. Wow.
Animal cookies iced.
Pretty healthy, actually.
And then we got bite-sized candy and cookies with bite-sized Butterfingers. I think there's a picture of Butterfingers on there. So I guess
it's candy and cookies.
we're going to start with this one. Ooh, come on out.
Ooh, bite size.
Bite size. And they're like this here. They're little ones. Bite size.
And you kind of smell like regular cookies. I don't smell any Butterfingers in there. Do you? Like, kind of smell it.
Kind of smell cookies.
Yeah,
and
not
these
really
are the
Butterfinger.
animal cookies.
Ice.
Whoa!
So
They're
there's
two
like,
different colors.
there's some white, some pink. And they're like original. Yeah, they're like original animal cookies, but iced and kind of smell like cinnamon.
Yeah. Whatever he said, I wasn't even listening.
Cinnamon.
The reason why I got these is because not they're iced or anything, but this has the worst picture of cookies on it I have ever seen. It looks sickening, doesn't it? Doesn't that look terrible?
But it kind of does.
Yeah,
But these
that's
don't
why I
look
got
bad.
them.
But not this. These kind of more like cinnamon. More like cinnamon than regular.
Okay, let's start with dosage.
Okay. So want to start with pink or the white?
Yeah, there's two different icings or something on them.
Pink and white.
Pink and white. Let's do the pink one first.
Okay.
To me, they taste like just regular old animal cookies.
Yeah.
I don't taste any difference, really. Look how thin that's on there.
Oh wow.
I mean, this is as thin as icing as I ever seen. Let's try a white one.
Again,
No difference.
no difference.
They don't taste icing. They're good for animal crackers.
Yeah.
Don't they call them animal crackers?
Yeah. Animal cookies, animal crackers.
Yeah, these are called animal cookies, iced.
I'm just gonna take a
Oh,
bit.
they're not really iced.
I'm just gonna take a bit of my milk first.
Okay. And then we got Bud's Best cookies. And these are supposed to have little bitty chunks of Butterfingers in them. Real Butterfingers. I guess.
Hopefully.
Yeah, they're not iced. Let's stick these out here for now. And these are these.
They're bite size.
Yeah, and they got stuff in them.
They don't smell like much of Butterfingers. They
Doesn't
smell
smell
like
like
doesn't smell like
It
cookies.
smells good.
Yeah.
Cut, 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 cut. These are my boobies. Cut, 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 cut.
You done? You done?
Like chocolate chips in it or something. Let's think of another one I still don't got.
Me neither.
This is a cut. Okay, go ahead. Go.
So, took a bite. I'm like, don't taste any Butterfingers. Took another piece. I still don't taste any Butterfingers in there.
I don't taste any. They're
Just
good.
like an original cookie, bite-sized.
Well, they're good cookies. I like to taste them. I see something on the sides and stuff. See?
Yeah, you kind of see stuff in there, but you don't taste anything.
Mm-hmm. The cookie overwhelms whatever that is. So anyway, let's rate them. Let's start with these. The animal crackers that say they got icing on them.
So, I'm sorry, okay. Like, they're like original animal crackers. icing doesn't make any much of a difference. I'd say like a 2 or something like that. Yeah, a 2. They're okay. I can see them getting again because, come on, who does not like animal crackers?
Okay, these animal cookies, they're animal cookies in here. Oh, by the way, this is the Crazy Tasty Food Review, and we do everything 1 to 3. If it's 1, it's garbage. You don't even want to deal with it. If it's 3, it's the best you ever had. On the icing cookies, iced animal cookies, I give them a, I'm not going to say they're bad. They taste like animal crackers to me. I give them a 1.5. On the buds,
On the Butterfingers, bite size. They're okay. I don't like. I see stuff in there, but I don't taste anything but different.
I see it. I don't taste it different either.
Yeah, like it tastes like just an original cookie, bite sized. So for that, but it's still good. I'll give that 1.5.
Okay. They are good cookies. I taste no Butterfingers at all. They're like chickens trying to get away. Okay, they are good cookies though. They're a lot better than those. Of course, I don't really like animal type cracker cookies. I give this a 2. So we completely switched. You give it a 2, I give it 1.5.
And then that is kind of switch on ratings.
So if I had to eat just one of them, I'll eat these. I'm
Yeah.
sending these home with him. I'm keeping these. But anyway.
And again, milk is always a 3 out of 3.
Yeah. Crazy Tasty Food Reviews. Remember to like,
subscribe,
and comment.
comments.
Always comment, we'll say something. Probably stupid, but that's okay.
And tell us which one you like better. Tell us if you agree or disagree. Yeah, tell us if you taste anything in there.
You better like these. Okay, that's it. So we'll see you next time. And remember to
keep going crazy.
crazy.